Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use text-to-speech feature on TikTok. If you enable TikTok text-to-speech feature, written text on your video will be read by the automated voice. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Once the camera screen opens, record a video or upload it from your camera roll. Click on the text icon at the bottom of the screen and type in your text. After that, select the text font you like and change the text color. What is more, you can add a highlight to your text by pressing on the A icon on the left-hand side of the screen. When you're happy with your text, hit Done in the top right corner. Now you may resize your text and place it anywhere on the screen. In order to use the text-to-speech feature on your video, click on Written Text and choose the Text-to-Speech option from the pop-up menu. TikTok will automatically convert your added text into a voice. Then you can also add music, apply various effects and filters, insert stickers if you want. As soon as your video is ready, tap Next and post your video on TikTok as you would normally do. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use text-to-speech feature on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.